in focus. I don't even know where we left off, guys. So, hi. Happy New Year. Happy 2018, you guys. I am so happy to still be able to be with you guys here in 2018. I know on my last video I was telling you guys about how my laptop, I no longer have a laptop, so it's kind of like impossible for me to edit videos. I found this little free editing app on my phone on like the app store, so I just downloaded that, so like you guys may see like a little water print or logo print that I'm just editing my freaking videos on some app. But I want to give you guys content. I feel like just the thought of my YouTube channel just no longer being there is like weird, because I still think about posting videos and uploading stuff for you guys. But that's besides the point. I just wanted to say I hope all you guys had a great Christmas, a happy new year, and just starting off the new year with great energy, just positive vibes, and just feeling good. So on that note, I have been trying for a while, because I think I've told you guys before, my hair was falling out so much. So I've been trying to take more care of my hair, because I went through a phase of coloring my hair. As you have seen my videos, I went red. I've gone red a million times. I went purple. I went black, blue, then black. And so I am here now with my final color. This isn't my natural color, but I want my natural color to grow back. This is actually black. My hair is more of like a dark brown. So I'm just working on getting my hair doesn't even curl no more. So this is my hair freshly washed, not a curl in sight, and it makes me really upset because I naturally have super curly hair, and to see how damaged my hair has become in the past year only, it's super sad. So I'm just gonna try cutting it, and yeah, I'm just gonna try something. I'm just gonna chop it off and kind of start fresh. Beginning of the new year, I'm gonna try no coloring my hair this year, trying to use as little chemical in my hair as possible, going down to hair products, just everything being natural. And you know, if you guys want me to film me continuously taking care of my hair, and just the journey of me trying to repair my hair, stop all the breakage, stop all like the falling out of damaged hair that I have, and just gaining curls back, because this is my starting point, guys. And this is, you guys are seeing it here first. Like literally, this is my hair. You would think I had straight hair because there's just no curl in here, but I just washed it. So I'm just going to be putting my natural curly hair routine, which I really don't have one, because my hair normally just curls, and I would just put like leave-in conditioner or something in it, and it would just be my natural curly hair. So I am going to use a couple products just to kind of help it curl, and then I'll let it air dry, and then I'll come back on camera and try to cut it. I don't even know what I'm going to do to cut it, how I'm going to cut it, but I am really wanting one of those Diva Curl cuts for curly hair girls. So enough rambling on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I promise I'm gonna keep trying, even though I'm sorry it's not gonna be the best quality, because I am filming on my phone and then editing it on my phone and uploading it through my phone. So it's probably not gonna be the best, but if you guys love me, if you guys are true supporters, if you guys are true subscribers and true friends of mine, then you guys will be subscribed and stick with me through this. And I'm working on doing a giveaway. I don't want to talk too much about it because I don't know when, and I don't know how I'm going to go about it, but I do want to do a giveaway just because I've gained so many subscribers in this past couple months. So I just want to show my appreciation for you guys, even though it might be small because obviously I have a lot going on, but just something to show you guys that I do appreciate you guys, and I am watching you guys watching me, and I just appreciate you guys. That's all I can really say, because I really can't express it anymore besides telling you guys that I just appreciate you guys. So with that being said, enough rambling. I am going to put these products in my hair, let it dry, and then yeah. Guys, I'm nervous. I'm about to go on Instagram live, and I've never done live before, so I'm a little nervous. But yeah, you guys already know what I did to my hair. I'm just gonna re-explain it to Instagram live because this was kind of last minute for me to film it. I mean, go live. But this is air dried, guys. I am so embarrassed because my hair is damn near straight. Like, there's no curl whatsoever. I mean, what are we gonna do, you know? Fuck, I get nervous every time. Okay. So guys, this is what I'm gonna cut off. I can't believe it. I'm nervous. Okay, maybe I shouldn't do that short. Maybe I'll do a little bit longer because then I have to like cut it individually. Yeah, I'll do a little bit longer. I'm the fucking worst. Alright. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so nervous. I mean, I already started, so it's like I gotta... Wow. Like, look at how long it was and how short I just cut it. What, bitch? So you know. Alright. Alright, I just ended my live. My camera died for half of it. I'm sure you guys saw the beginning parts of it. But guys, this is what the fuck happened. I really can't even believe it cut my hair this short. So I was on live and my cousin, I'm sure I told you guys last time when I cut my hair, I colored my hair live. I mean, not live, but on YouTube. That my cousin actually is a cosmetologist that was well, and she was like helping me, giving me advice on what I should and shouldn't do. And we was on live and she's like, oh, just do it this way. And so I started doing it and I just cut that shit mad short. And like I just was like, fuck it, I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep just giving myself layers. Look, baby, you got milk in there. I'm gonna keep giving myself layers and like see where it goes. And this is it. This is, come here. This is the final product and I love it. I'm not even gonna lie, I love it. It's short, it's new, it's refreshing. I'm hoping this is gonna be the beginning of the journey of you know, getting my curly hair restored. Yeah, my curly hair restored and getting my curls back. And I'm just happy with it. I'm not even gonna lie, it looks healthier. I have layers. I didn't have layers before, so it looks a lot better. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for everyone that watched on live. Everyone that watched on live. It was my first time going live. It was super fun. Hopefully next time I'll do it planned out more so that you guys know I'm going live and you can watch live too. If not, follow me on Instagram, on Snap, all of that. I'll leave it all in the description box below. But you guys, this is all the hair I cut off. Like, so much hair, but I'm really happy. I'm really satisfied with my hair, and just I'm loving it, and I can't wait to see the results. So give this video a thumbs up if you want to see a video in a couple weeks of how my hair is doing, how it's getting restored, what I'm doing then at that point to restore my hair now that I've cut all the dead off, and just where we're going to go from here. So thank you guys for watching. King's ready to eat dinner. I got to start cooking. It took longer than I thought, but I love you guys, and I'll see you.
All my family watched me cut my hair live. Guys, say hi to you too, because you guys, this is going to be in my video. Look, that's my cousin, my aunt. Look at all my cousins. Cousin again. Yes, my family's a real vibe. Jewel. Who's saying hey? Cookie saying hey. Hey. Oh, yes, all my cousins. Yes. These is Mama J's. And of course, it wouldn't be a video without King. Thank you, King. I appreciate that.